Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Facebook topic tips and tricks. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to stay away from Facebook strike or community violation about Facebook posts on your Facebook account or page or any Facebook videos that you post on your Facebook without any stress. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Having opened up a Facebook app, quite a lot number of people that are using Facebook are not aware of this. And as a result of that, it costs them a lot of things, a lot of different violations, a lot of community standard violation. And as a result of that, it is advisable for you to understand some of the community standard about Facebook in order to avoid unnecessary strike or in order to avoid unnecessary removal of your post or your content on Facebook. So the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this little slider. Then scroll down right here and go ahead and click and make sure you click on settings and privacy. Go ahead and click on settings. Scroll down right here under the settings. Continue to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down right here until you get to community standard. Go ahead and click on that. And here you go. Community standard outline what is and it is not allowed on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger and Thread. You can scroll down right here and read introduction and digest it. And this is a short clip video about community standard on Facebook. You can scroll down right here and read detail right here. Continue to scroll down and read detail. The first thing I like right here is authenticity. So whatever you want to post on Facebook, make sure it is authentic and original by you. Scroll down right here and the next one is safety. Whatever you want to post on Facebook, make sure it is not something that can cause danger or something that can cause harmful for the community viewers. Then privacy right here. We recommend to protect personal privacy and information. Privacy gives people the freedom to be themselves, choose how and when to share on our services and connect more easily. Next, dignity. We believe that all people are equal in dignity and right. We accept the people with respect the dignity of others and not harass or degrade others. That is a rule. It's not allowed on Facebook. You can scroll down right here and see some of the content that you should not post. And if you post any of the content highlighted right here, it is going to be removed and your account is going to have issue whether on your Facebook page or your Facebook account. Make sure you pay a proper attention to some of this word right here and you will not create a content around any of these topics right here. You don't want to have community strike or you don't want your content to be removed at any point in time on Facebook. It's that simple. Lastly, make sure you always check community standard regular basis on your Facebook account because some of the policy right here are always up to date. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to Facebook app, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.